Is Bitcoin set to explode and do a massive push to the upside? Well, in today's update, this is what we're going to cover. We're simply going to cover what we can expect next using Elliott waves. This is how, for example, using Elliott wave, I have been able to long the exact Bitcoin bottom at 15,000. This is not fake. This is a real Bybit screenshot, really. I mean, profit share. This is how I have been able to long also at 54,000. This is how I've been able to long this push to the upside here to the exact dollar, and how I have been able also to long this retest to the dollar almost here on the very low. This is how I have been able to take all these trades and so well make some really nice gains, not gonna lie, by using Elliott wave, of course combine it to exo charts. There is an order flow. And for example, this is how in today's daily update, I show you really how to take the long trade on Shiba coin, on the SHIB coin, and start bringing us with this really cool long trade. So if you want to know all of this, well, just go and check out the daily update. And otherwise, well, you just have to learn Elliott waves, and I'm going to teach you a bit of Elliott wave in these updates. And if you want to learn Elliott waves, you've come to the right place, because on the 4th of March, there will be a brand new Elliott wave course on the website. So make sure to go and sign up there. It's absolutely free. You'll get half of the course plus a contest for absolutely free. Next, you just have to sign up as a apprentice, but otherwise the first months and the first 4 courses are for absolutely free. So really go and check this out. You will be really good next at Elliott wave, I can tell. So another thing is, what we've planned in the last update, it was simply to look for these 5 waves here to the upside. So to speak here, this wave 5, and so I was looking for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the different targets here. You can see here with 64,000 where we've got the drop at the moment. And so I was looking simply for these 5 waves here to the upside. You can see here wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really. So the pink wave that I changed it here into blue waves, but was looking simply for this with a nice, you can see here, so 64,000 on Bitcoin. So now the first configuration we have to be aware of, we're going to be aware of 2 different configurations mainly. So the first one is simply this, really, we're in the wave 1, 2, 3, we have done the wave 3, we have done the wave 4 retracement exactly into the buy zone, and we just look now for the wave 5. To find the wave 5 targets, well, we just need to look for a swing Philip pan or a fair auction of the top. This is simple as that, really. So swing Philip pan, just take the highs, come back down below directly, close below the previous high, and so you get the good short reaction you want to get on the order flow. And if we have to do a failed auction, you just get acceptance above, spend some more time, start to form something really bearish on the order flow and come back down. This will be the first configuration we're going to look, I'm going to look for personally, to look for this wave 5. Now the thing is, if for example we take the highs and we just don't stop, get a massive wave 5 here, well, it means simply that these 5 waves here was already done. So around there, 3, 4, 5, we don't really care, to be fair, like this. And so the wave 5 is in, but the problem is this is possibly now even more bullish than what we have here on the chart. Why? Simply because when you're looking for some impulsive, the wave 5 normally should stop before the wave 3 top on the RSI. If you go and check on the daily time frames, normally here, we should go and stop before this top right there, so we shall make a divergence here. We are going above. What it means? It means that normally we shall still be in that wave 3, or it means that this is simply another wave 1 to here. And so in that case, that brings us to such configuration where if we don't get the pullback from the blue wave 5, we're simply going to look for a much more bigger increase in price, and so we're going to look for such configuration that is really bullish, but well, this is what we have on the chart, and so we simply have to look here for a bigger wave 1 to here. So if we retrace more from here, if we break this for example, if we go down from here, we don't manage to break the high directly here, well, we are simply going to look for a bigger and bit of a longer wave 2 first of all. In that case, we just have to look, for the levels we have planned for this, so to speak here. We can just hide this for the moment and go with this, and so we can simply look for these levels there. We already went really low. If we have to be really super bullish next, we can stop with an extremely small wave 2. So you have the smaller time frame levels here. I'm not going to cover this in more details, but you have this first of all, then the swing Philip pan, then this right here. Okay, these are the 3 main targets for this for this upper part really. But otherwise, these are the targets really we can look for if we have to come below and look for this wave 2 bottom. And the thing is now, if we do this wave 1, 2 like this, well, it's gonna push up really big next. So what target we can look for in that case? Well, you just need to pull the extension tool of this impulsive to the upside. So you just need to take the extension tool, first click on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, and third on the wave 2 bottom. So let's take the case that we have done the low here, and from here you just have to add the wave 3 targets, so to speak here, wave 3, bam, I'm gonna move this a bit more on the right. So the first target where we have only 2% chance to stop is the 120 extension. So we can stop here, but I'm not going to think about this because we're only 2% and we should be in a parabolic move if we're in this. So 1618 normally is the minimum we should reach and expect. Okay, we have more chance to go there minimum. So 100% only 2% chance. Minimum normally we should go there, so 1618. But then we have all these targets above, so 200%, 2618, 3618, and the 423.6. After we have done this wave 3, we're going to look for the wave 4, a pretty big wave 4 if we stop like this with a small wave 2, and then we can look for the wave 5. But I'm going to update this next because I don't want to plan the wave 4 yet and the wave 5 because we don't know where the wave 3 is going to stop at the moment. But these right here will be the targets. The wave 3 fibs here will be the targets we will have to look for a possible short trade. Again, we're in a very strong uptrend, so be careful shorting, read the order flow and all of this. But yeah, just going to plan the wave 3 for the moment. So this will be the first configuration really, okay, we'll have to be aware of. Now the thing is, so either, as you understood, a wave 3, just a last push to the upside for a wave 5, if I can catch this. So either a last push to the upside for a wave 5, in that case we'll have done the wave 4 and we'll have done the wave 3 here. If this wave 5 is not, we have nothing bearish on the order flow on this, okay, so speak, there is no reason to short on the order flow here. Well, we are simply going to look for this bigger wave 1, 2 already, and so the 5 waves was already completed before, and so in that case we're going to look for a much more bigger push to the upside. It really all depends what we do here when we take the highs, if this is really big what we are going to do, or not. If we just take the highs, get a swing for the pound referral auction. If no swing for the pound referral auction, well, possibly a much more bigger increase in price coming next, and so this was a wave 1, 2. Now the thing is, just in case, okay, just in case we have to invalidate this wave 2 here, for example, we break all the support here of that wave 2 and we start going below here, and for example on the RSI, okay, so on the RSI here we cannot break the wave 2 bottoms. For example, if the RSI start to do this, go below here and break the wave 1 route, by the way, the wave 1 route, well, yeah, the wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 route on the RSI. So if we start doing this, well, we're simply going to take the case that the RSI was wrong for this 5 waves there, so to speak, these 5 waves we've got before, because normally we can, I mean, we shall not go above this top right here, we shall get a divergence, and now it's a daily time frame, 12 hours, and even below this is like this. So this looks a lot less probable, but in case we have to do it, where we're simply going to look for another wave 1 and another wave 2 directly, and then bam, 3, 4, 5. So if we have to do such wave 2, well, here are the targets. You can get the targets here. Value high first of all, then we can look for this value high and weekly with the bottoms right here to be taken for a swing for the pound referral auction. Then we have this nice 618, 66% with this value high, and then we come to this lower range here with around 43,000. Okay, so this is what we have to look for step by step really. I hope this is not too complex to understand. I'm trying to make it easy, but yeah, there are still many possible configurations at the moment, but this is what we have to be aware of. Okay, so let's try to do a bit of a summary. First of all, we look for this wave 5 like this, and so we look for this longer wave 1 to here. If the wave 5 is just pushing a lot higher, we got no reason to short on the order flow, we just keep pushing up and up and up. Then we have done in that case the 5 waves like this, 3, 4 here, and then the wave 5, and so in that case means that we already have done this wave 1, 2, and we're going to look for this bigger push to the upside. If we push higher, well, we just have to pull the wave 3 target, so to speak, here from the wave 1 route. First click on the extension tool, second click on the wave 1 top, and the second click will go on the wave 2 bottom. And from here, you add the 120 extension, 1618, 200%, 2618, 3618, and the 423.16. For the moment, these are the 2 configurations we have to be aware of mainly. And if we start getting invalidation for that wave 2, well, we look simply, for this bigger, bam, impulsive here, and so a bigger and longer wave 1, wave 2. If you want to get more, really for example, the possible bearish configuration and everything, for now this is what makes more sense with the data we have on the chart. I don't want to be too bullish, but this is what we have. So well, it's here. I cannot show something else really. Just in case we have to be in some bearish kind of everything, you can simply go and watch the latest update I have done in the live stream here on Bitcoin. This was a 2-hour live stream, but you have everything in the first hour really. You can go and check this out. You have the bearish Elliott wave count, you have many stuff there, and yeah, if you want to get live training, well, you can go and check out the last daily update. Anyways, if you want to learn Elliott waves, go and check out the MOONCHARTS website, sign up for free, and on the 4th of March you will get a brand new Elliott wave course, and you will be able to learn for absolutely free, and you will be able to play a contest also where you can get some nice rewards as always. And on every course you have a Q&A session on the Wednesday, so every course on the Monday, and then you have a Q&A session on the Wednesday, so if you have some questions, bam, you don't have any more, and you know everything on the previous course. So that's pretty cool, and all of this for absolutely free, and only 4 courses on 10, but the 4 first courses represent really more than half of the Elliott wave course. And then next the other courses, so there are 2 more contests by the way next, with even better rewards, with some live chartings, get the parent session and everything. But yeah, you have some more courses, of course, next if you join an apprentice. This is more for more complex correction wave, raw cases, RSI, and all of this really. Okay. So anyway, just go and check out the MOONCHARTS.fr website. And on this being said, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications. Really, this is a way you can thank me because I'm doing all of this for free. And if you want to join a cool community, you can simply go and check out the link in the description. You have this nice Discord server where I'm really active on Discord. I'm posting many updates all day, really, not only on Bitcoin. And all these channels are for absolutely free. You have some DMC strategy, for example, here. You have the latest update on Bitcoin here, so you know everything. Some FIP times, some dates. By the way, there are some dates coming next in March. And you have some crazy TAs, for example, on Bonk yesterday, we was looking for this nice wave 1, 2, and then a nice increase in price. And well, here come the nice increase in price. We have this also on many assets. For example, on SHIB here was looking for this possible bullish wave count here with a nice increase in price into around 0.1468, and so this is exactly where we went, and so we got a retracement. And live in the time in the daily update, we have been able to take this really nice long trade that is doing really well now. So tape rate 1 is locked, and so now we can just wait for either get stop down on 3 or either higher prices. But anyways, if you want to get all of this, just go and check out the Discord server, the website, and you will get everything for free. Anyway, have a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one, and maybe with a really massive push to the upside. It depends how far it's going to go, that wave 5. If it is a wave 5, if it's not a wave 5, well, this is a wave 3 already, and it's going to push a lot higher than this. So see you in the next one. At what price? Only time can tell. We'll see, it's gonna be pretty interesting. Anyway, take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.